Teachers and students, this is Phil and Ephraim coming at you from Bulldog Bites headquarters. Today we'll be creating a tutorial on graphing inequalities. We hope this helps.
So I have the two inequalities written out here already. That way we have more space to work with. But the first thing you want to do is set each inequality to y. So for this one you're going to bring over the 3x. So you get y is less than 4 minus 3x. And then for this one you got to bring over the 2 first. So you have x plus y is greater than or equal to negative 2. Then you bring over the x. So you have y is greater than or equal to negative x minus 2. Now I already have the points listed here, but you could always use your graphing calculator to figure them out, or you just plug them in. So negative 2 in this equation would give you 10, the negative 1 would give you 7, and so on. Then after that you're going to plot each point. So negative 2, then you go up 10. Way up there, and you only need to plug in 2 points or plot 2 points because that'll create a line for you. So negative 1 and 7, and then from there you connect the dots. Now since this is it's not equal to, it's just a less than, you're going to create a dotted line because the values on this line, the equation will never be equal to it, but gets pretty darn close. So you're going to do the same thing for this one then. You have negative 2, 0. You have negative 1, negative 1. From there you could plot your line. Now this one's going to be a solid line because it's greater than or equal to. Now when you graph the inequality, you can't just draw the lines, you actually have to show the solution set. So you could always use 0, 0 is the easiest one because it's in between both. So if you plug in 0 here, is 0 less than 4 minus 3 times 0? So that cancels out as 0 less than 4. Yeah, it works there. Then you have to see if it works for this one. So 0 is greater than or equal to 0 minus 2. 0 is greater than negative 2. So you're going to shade in this portion of your graph. You would also do it better than I am. And you'll leave this section blank. This shows your solution set to both inequalities. And that finishes it.
That about wraps up today's session. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you're having any issues with your subject, topic, or homework, please fill out a request ticket in the link below. We will be happy to make a custom YouTube video. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.